Today, I'll show you exactly how to reset OneDrive on Windows 11. A super handy process if your OneDrive isn't syncing properly, files aren't updating, or you're just running into strange glitches. By the time you finish this tutorial, you'll have OneDrive freshly installed, syncing smoothly, and free of any little hiccups that have been giving you a headache. Ready? Let's dive right in. The first thing we're going to do is actually uninstall OneDrive from your computer. This might sound a little drastic, but think of it like giving OneDrive a clean slate. Sometimes a fresh start is exactly what's needed when things just aren't working right. Head over to your Settings app, click on Apps, and then Installed Apps. In this list, scroll through to find Microsoft OneDrive. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on the Uninstall button. Windows will ask you to confirm, just reassure it you know what you're doing. The uninstallation process doesn't touch your files in the cloud, so don't worry, nothing important will be lost. This is just removing the app from your PC, not deleting your precious documents or photos. Now that OneDrive is off your system, it's time to put it back, fresh and up to date. Open up your web browser and head to the official Microsoft OneDrive download page. I really recommend downloading straight from Microsoft to make sure you're getting the latest, safest version. Stray downloads from unfamiliar sites are never worth the risk. Once the download finishes, run the installer. The setup is usually quick, just follow the prompts and let it do its thing. If you ever feel uncertain at a step, take a breath and remember, you're just following along like you set up any other program. The installer will finish up, and just like that, you're ready for the next phase. When the installation is done, you'll notice the OneDrive cloud icon showing back up in your taskbar, usually down on the lower right side of your screen. Click on this icon, it'll prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're using OneDrive for work or school, make sure you sign in with your organization's credentials. Otherwise, your personal Microsoft account does the trick. This is a good moment to think about your sync settings and what folders you actually want available on your PC. OneDrive lets you choose which folders sync locally, which is super helpful if you've got limited space or just want to keep things tidy. Take your time making these decisions, there's no rush, and you can always adjust them later if you change your mind. Once you're signed in and set up, allow a little time for OneDrive to do its behind-the-scenes magic. It'll start resyncing all your files and folders between your PC and the cloud. Depending on how much you store in OneDrive and your internet connection, this part might take a little while. So if you notice the cloud icon working away for a bit, that's totally normal. You can keep using your computer while it finishes up, and you're likely to see everything appear in your OneDrive folder just as it was. And that's it. You've given OneDrive a fresh reset and set yourself up for smooth, reliable syncing moving forward. If this walkthrough helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions or something didn't work the way you expected, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more straightforward tech tutorials like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.